morning, guys. It is November 11, 2020. This one here I got a call for a leaking sink, kitchen sink. He said he put some putty on it, but it's still leaking. Well, he says he don't think it's lined up properly. It's always leaked since the guy did the work, and tried calling the other guy back. And it's been nice weather for November, Molly. You don't even have a coat on. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's something interesting. That's what they call it, camplast fittings. I might be able to just replace the gaskets, maybe, hopefully. Now, did you try tightening them? No.
I tried the left one, and I think I screwed up because I can almost from the top. I can see that I.
Did it crack it?
Yeah, I think it cracked.
It cracked?
I think so. I think it did. From the top, you can see the sink from the top, but I just put the flashlight down.
You think you cracked it?
Yeah.
Hope not. Oh, no. Might have. Maybe the gasket's just gone. I mean, you don't have a lot of room here to work on this stuff.
Get pretty hot tonight.
This is kind of real cattywampus too. Well, maybe.
Yeah, I had to do myself because we.
It's kind of scary.
The dishwasher at the time was going in. It was just squirting water out. And I even put this class and work.
A little scary. Get in a pot, maybe, and take a look at it. No work today? No.
No, not today.
Well, let's take a look at it and see what it does. Yeah, there's no gasket. No. There's no flipping gasket in there, guy. No wonder why it's leaking. Yeah, this one's a little queer too. Yeah, it's like a thin rubber. We'll put new gaskets in there and we'll try it. Hopefully. Good morning. That'd be nice if we could just put new gaskets in there. Huh? I never like these things. I mean, they're alright. I usually use the dishwasher drain pots, but these up top, I don't like them because you get the hot water down there, it'll expand it and it'll leak sometimes.
Right. What do you normally do?
I don't have a lot of throw here to put a regular tailpiece And then, you know, because you need this clearance here because you know
Right.
there's not a lot of space, right?
Right. And you couldn't bring it down the right side down more, right? Couldn't do that.
I might be able to put this drain on the top and do it differently, but you know, it's a lot of work. Let's see if the gaskets work. I probably would have did it a little bit different right from the get-go, but seeing it's already there.
Watch some of your YouTube.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Well, originally when I looked at it, like, okay, what's going on with this? So I started getting, you know, I use YouTube for a lot of things.
It's kind of a queer setup, but they cut the,
Yeah.
did they or not? I don't know if that's just stuck in there or what. I don't know. It's kind of scary looking. I'm gonna leave it alone. Oh, that broke. This don't leak. This
No, that's the way I put it.
this fancy rig you got here doesn't seem to leak.
No. If I only have one clamp, it will.
I gotta put another clamp on here, maybe, no? Oh, it's like a flipping accordion. I got the 2 clamps. We'll check it. This other clamp's broken.
Oh, okay.
No, I put a new washer on there and still. Wow. It must be broken on the inside or something's going on with it.
It's like you said, like, using a lot of hot water made it.
No, not leaking like that. Something's going on there. You might have cracked it inside. Did you hear it crack? No?
I didn't tighten it very much. I just tightened a little bit. And as soon as I tightened a little bit, even more came out. I said, okay, this isn't working. I thought maybe that's how to eat skirt out or something like that.
Let's try putting another washer on there and double them up. I mean, what do you got to lose at this point, right? Piece could be cracked on the inside or something crazy. It's really coming out of there. We'd have to redo it all. We have no choice in the matter. I mean, you can't leave it leaking like that, right?
No, I can't have it like that either.
Oh, shit. Don't seem to be leaking now.
Where do you have a gap?
I don't know. Alright, we got a full bolt here. Let's see what happens. Oh, that one's still leaking. I got it tight. Oh, maybe I can go a little bit more. I don't know. You gotta get them tight, but you don't want to go too tight with it. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of these suckers, I'll be honest with you.
It's hard to bleed too because I mean it's not like it's a lot of pressure, water, like in your regular pipe.
That's a full bolt. That's still leaking, guy. I gotta cut it out. Oh, bitch. Alright, I'll have to get what I need and replace it all. And then what can I say? Alright, I'll be able to cut this, put a coupling on it right here and redo it for the guy. That's gonna be the plan. Yeehaw.
Tutorial. I have to go to YouTube.
Say that again?
I don't have to go to YouTube. I can get a personal tutorial right now, in person. Yeah, you do a great job with those videos.
We'll try. This won't leak. guaranteed.
Yeah, that's what I saw you do. I'm like, why does that have that?
Yeah, it won't leak now, and then I can put this on there like that.
Right.
Right? And then I still got room. I still got room to put the coupling down below. Okay. And I can go over and pick up the other side. And that won't leak.
Yeah,
this is the secret right here with the brass nut, with the tail piece, right? And then this is all glued.
Yep.
So that can't leak. And then this, we could, you know, whatever. I mean, I'm not worried about. That's the key. The formulas and stuff like that, you still need that, right?
Right.
You still need the formulas and everything, but the only thing with this is it's kind of... You have to go for the schooling to be able to go for your license. You need 4 years of classroom.
Before you're fully licensed?
Before you could even go for the test.
Oh, jeez.
Plus you got to work for a master plumber for 4 years. So that's the hard part.
Right.
Because if you don't have a job,
yeah,
it can be tough, right?
Well, it sounds like the trades are the way to go now.
I don't know. What? You think so?
Oh,
Maybe.
College degree isn't getting you much.
Huh?
College degree isn't getting you much.
Not really, huh? Yeah, they go to college and they don't even do what they went to college for.
Exactly.
Ain't that the show? Ain't that the truth?
Yeah, then they go back.
Cost you all kinds of money.
Big time money, right? Yeah. At least if you get a trade, you can. If worst case scenario comes, you can fix your own crap.
I'm gonna get a complex fitting. I didn't bring one in. No, I didn't really. Should have one on the truck. Yeah, these are the only Camplast fittings I use are these ones for the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Because they're glue.
Oh. See, that's the experience you have.
Yeah, and then I'll be good like that.
You do the room to play with it, going up and down.
Huh? You know, I learned the hard way myself, right? Over the years.
Exactly.
Right, 7 3/8, 7 1/4. Like that. I could just put a coupling and a riser and I'm good. See it?
Yeah.
The other thing, you'd be fighting forever.
I know. At least I was learning. I said, okay, if this happens again, I'm gonna do the same thing. Just get those.
This is the true fix.
Yeah. One glues.
One's a primer, which softens it, cleans it. It's a cleaner.
Oh, okay.
And the other one is a glue and melts them both together.
Ah, it's like a welding.
So you got a cleaner, which kind of cleans all the lettering off, right?
Right.
And the other one's a glue. Some states you got to use purple cleaner, which is actually designed for a Schedule 80, so it looks like shit.
Oh,
The Schedule 80 is a purple pipe.
Yep.
So they wanted to use this purple cleaner, which really looks like shit, so they could see if you used the cleaner. But in my state, you could use the regular one. I mean, this is what it's designed for.
Right. Otherwise, it wouldn't glue too well.
This won't leak, I guarantee you that much. See how that's a solid connection?
You don't get to worry more about it.
I ain't going nowhere.
Now, does that also have a gasket in there?
There's gaskets up top there. I took the gaskets that I had on the other one and I moved them.
Oh, okay.
This won't leak. I'm just gonna do the bottom there. We'll put a coupler in there. We'll be done. I'll change that too. The two nuts up top, the thing comes right out, right? You can take it right outside and hose it down, do what you gotta do to it. There. 2 inches.
If you can get away with too many presidents, nobody get in trouble. You know.
See the truckload of ballots, and it had a Biden sticker on the back. It's like, holy shit! There's a whole S10 truckload of ballots there coming in, yeah, with a Biden sticker. So I guess that, you know what they're voting for. That's funny.
They do that in California, so they already had all one.
Big progress?
Yeah, almost done. Almost done. It ain't gonna leak no more.
You're trying to save me money.
Alright, I like that.
I was trying, but it didn't work so well. I did try though.
Yeah, you did.
That's for sure.
Yeah, I saw her.
It's gonna be good now. It ain't gonna leak. Won't leak anymore, I promise you that. It was a battle though. And what's good about this is if you ever have to take it out, you can untake this clamp off, right? And then take them 2 top brass nuts out and this whole thing will come out.
You know what? It won't be my time to do that because you did the job. By the time that stuff's leaking, in 100 years from now, I won't be here.
Yeah, well, that brass nut, that plastic nut broke right off when I tried tightening it. Oh shit. Try it again.
Bag's still so fast.
Alright, that should be it finally. Hopefully. I don't see any leaks. That's good. That's the best way of doing it right there. I'm gonna clamp right there. If you ever have to get it apart, just unbolt it and take it right out. Finally.